I don't know if I'm cut out for this. Good morning. Good morning. Today is day one of my 90-day journey where I rebuild my business as a real estate agent with the goal of opening up a real estate firm at the end of the 90 days. Maybe not at the end of the 90 days, but at least by the end of the year. The whole purpose is to rebuild my business as an agent so that I can start a team and hire other agents. I really want to share my journey. Just moved back to Atlanta 2 months ago. Today, I actually already have a buyer. So I'm out in the field. I'm about to go show her. And then I'm going to go sit somewhere and do my entire business plan. And we're really going to map this thing out so that we make the best use of this 90 days together. I got my camera. I don't have a microphone. I did not bring my microphone. And I did forget my light. So I'm 2 for 2 at this point. But meet y'all at some of the parties. So my client actually overslept today. I just got a hold of her because we were supposed to start at 10 and it's 10:20. So in lieu of wasting time, I'm just gonna show her virtually and then we'll reschedule showings probably for tomorrow. Last time she overslept, I waited for her, but I can't wait today because I have a full day, so I gotta keep it moving. Let me go in here and show her this house. There's a sunken living room here. Lately. So big. I'm just coming back in so I can record again on my other phone. At 3:30, we would have to get a considerable amount of seller concessions. I would have to pull comps and see if it even be worth 3:30. But I really want to get you in here because I like this for you. Now, I'm about to go sit at my property. I am going to do my business planning for the next 90 days. Oh, this is pretty. That's nice. We're gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. Right now I'm doing some follow-ups because it is a Monday, so although I have every intention on what is this? Every intention on vlogging today and showing you guys showing you guys how to do my business plan. I also have to follow up with my clients. So right now I'm doing some follow-ups really quick and then I will go right into my business plan. Hello?
A few minutes later.
I just had the best consultation with my buyer who was kind of on the fence. I don't know if I can do this. And I talked her off the ledge in such a poetic way as a broker and realtor. Just for my phone to die and for this phone to not record it.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I was literally in the middle of telling you guys how dead my camera battery was and then it died. So I don't know if I'm cut out for this. All right, note to self, bring all of your chargers. I'm supposed to be doing my business planning today, but today's been a disaster. Day one overall was kind of this day was weird. My buyer didn't show up and all of my devices are dead. Actually, I cannot really do much of anything because I was using the hotspot from my phone to do my work. So at this point, we're gonna try again tomorrow. So tomorrow on day 2, we'll be doing business planning 101Zs. This is the part where I feel like a YouTuber because I get to say like, comment, follow. Hold on, wait a minute, what is it? Share, comment, share, subscribe. No, share sounds and then I have a list. So share, subscribe feels like, oh. All right. Like, comment, and share. And now I forgot what I was saying. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I will see y'all tomorrow. I can't. Love you. Bye. What the? I really hope I was at least in the frame. Like, I'm so scared. I am so, like, I don't know what kind of fear this is. I think it's just me putting myself out there and trying something new, because if I never let you see me try, you could never see me fail. And even though I know I'm not gonna fail, trying out loud is so cringe. But I'm gonna do it anyway, because anything that's ever been worth it for me has been on the other side of my comfort zone.